Before you rush to add the DEWALT screwdriver to your toolkit, there are a few surprising downsides you might want to consider. Stick around to find out more. The DEWALT 66719 cordless screwdriver is designed to streamline your assembly tasks with its compact and ergonomic design. Its sleek black finish and lightweight build make it a comfortable addition to any tool pouch, ensuring ease of use in various applications. But does it offer the premium feel and performance that DEWALT is known for? One of the standout features is the FLEXDRIVE 360-degree collar, which allows for seamless slide-to-drive control, eliminating the need for traditional buttons. This innovative design provides a more intuitive user experience, especially in tight or awkward spaces. Equipped with a 2 amp-hour integral battery, this screwdriver delivers up to 44 N-pounds of powered torque, suitable for a variety of assembly applications. For tasks requiring more precision, the manual finishing capability offers up to 124 N-pounds of torque, ensuring you have the control needed for delicate operations. The 6-stage torque adjustment allows you to match the power output to the specific requirements of your project, reducing the risk of overdriving or stripping screws. With a no-load speed of up to 360 RPM, you can drive screws quickly and efficiently, enhancing productivity. Battery life is another strong point, with the ability to drive up to 680 screws on a single charge. When it's time to recharge, the process takes approximately 60 minutes, minimizing downtime. The inclusion of a USB charging cable adds convenience, allowing you to charge the tool using various USB power sources. The package comes with 12 2-inch bits, covering a range of common screw types, so you're well equipped for different tasks right out of the box. The quick load collet ensures secure bit retention and easy swapping, further enhancing the tool's versatility. In terms of value, the DEWALT offers a blend of innovative features and reliable performance. While prices may vary, it's positioned competitively within the market. For the latest offers and pricing, be sure to check out the Amazon link in the description. So, what are the pros and cons of choosing this tool? Cons: limited to light to medium duty tasks. Integrated battery is not replaceable, may not be suitable for heavy-duty applications. Pros: compact and ergonomic design, innovative FLEXDRIVE 360-degree collar, adjustable torque settings for precision, quick charging time, includes a variety of bits for versatility. If you're interested in adding the DEWALT to your toolkit, check out the Amazon link in the description for the latest offers. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on the video for more reviews and updates.